I'm here with.
Hey, my name is Skylar.
Okay. So, Skylar, tell me some of the benefits of your business, if you don't mind talking about your business briefly.
Of course, I am in the medical cannabis dispensary business, and we sell medical cannabis that helps a lot of our patients with multiple health benefits, including Parkinson's, cancer, chronic pain, anxiety, depression. Most of the cannabis that we sell is formulated for that specific medical problem.
Okay, so what are the difference between like just what the product that you have and maybe would be on the street?
So product that comes from the street isn't formulated or tested so that you're able to tell exactly what terpenes are the cannabinoid processor, the cannabinoid things inside of the marijuana that will help with pain. So when you get it off the street, you're not getting something that's formulated for you, and you're not sure if you're getting a sativa strand or an indica strand, so you might get you something that causes a lot of anxiety versus something that would cure it.
What is the difference between, like, I know I mentioned to you how cyclists, some of us take, well, I've noticed that there's some gummies that you can take to help with cycling.
Correct.
How does that help from working out or recovery?
So when you're working out and recovering, it really does help the muscles to relax completely, as well as can also give you energy if you wanted to take something before you went cycling. There's specific strands that will help you go about it that way as well.
So what's the process that you had to go through as far as getting your business legal for consumers to come in and buy? Because I think a lot of people, when they hear medical marijuana or marijuana, it might come across with a negative connotation.
Yes, for sure. So the state regulates everything. So you actually have to go through Mississippi.gov through their website, and you're able to get your license and apply to be an agent to sell and go from there. So everything is super regulated and ran by the state.
Okay, within the confines of what you can say, you mind just saying where your facility is and things like that?
Yeah, of course. We are located over in Ocean Springs and right there by the hospital.
One last question.
Of course.
Do you think that, like with legalized betting on sports and things like, do you think eventually this would come in and can boost Mississippi's economy? Because I do know
absolutely.
In some states it's legal.
Oh yeah. So it definitely brings in a lot of money for the state already, just being medicinally. But if we ever went recreational, the amount of people who are they have certain health problems, but not the ones that are regulated by the state, they will be able to come and shop with us, and we're able to get a lot more people relief. So we'll have more of a more of a community to sell to.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you for your time.
You're very welcome. Thank you.